But what exactly is Hyrox? Founded in Germany in 2017, Hyrox has been proposed since its debut as a fitness competition accessible to everyone, from novice athletes to professional athletes, combining typical functional training exercises with running sessions. And it is precisely this democratic aspect that is most appreciated. Each competition within the international circuit is in fact held in the same way, whether it takes place in New York or Hong Kong rather than in Malmö in Sweden or Rimini. 1 kilometer run. 1000 meters SkiErg. 1 kilometer run. 50 meters sled push. 1 kilometer run. 50 meters sled pull. 1 kilometer run. 80 meters burpee broad jumps. 1 kilometer run. 1000 meters rowing. 1 kilometer run. 200 meters kettlebell farmer's carry. 1 kilometer run. 100 meters sandbag lunges. 1 kilometer run. 100 wall balls.